Welcome to the number sequence video, and this one is for the 7th grade mathematics lesson and checkpoint secondary 1 preparation. In this video, you will learn three things: find the next two terms, identify the rules, and create the equation or the n term. What is number sequence? The first definition is a list of number, or we can call it as terms, that follow certain patterns or rules. The second definition is a list of numbers that are linked by a rule. On the right side of your screen, you see three examples of number sequence. We just look on the first one, 11, 16, 21. We have three numbers, and all of these three numbers are linked by a rule. Can you give me the rule of this number sequence? Yes, plus 5. Term 1 is 11, and when you add it by 5, it will be the term 2, 16. And then when you add the 16 by 5, then it will be term 3, 21. By knowing the rule, then you will be able to find the next term. Let's say the next two terms, term 4 and term 5. Then 21, you add it by 5, that one become the term 4. It will be equal to 26. And then for term 5, then 26, you add it by 5, become 31. Now we will go to the exercise. What is the rule and the next two terms of this number sequence? Then we will go to the answer page. The rule is plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. By knowing the rule, then you will be able to find the next two terms. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. We will go to the next exercise. What is the rule and the next two terms of this number sequence? Done. We will go to the answer page. The rule is minus 3. 19 minus 3 is 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. By knowing the rule, again, you will be able to find the next two terms. So 13 minus 3 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now we will go to the next objective, creating the n term. N term is the equation that allow you to find any term in the sequence. For example, I ask you to find the term 100, or I ask you to find the term 1001. Well, you can calculate the answer manually, but you will waste your time. Better for you to create the equation in order to answer that questions. Now, on the right side of your screen, you see a number sequence 11, 16, 21. To create the n term, you need to follow these three steps. The first step, you need to find the rule. The rule is plus 5 for this number sequence. Step 2, you need to find the term before the first term. The first term of this number sequence is 11. Now, what will be the term before that 11? What is the number if you add it with 5 or by 5, then it becomes 11? Yes, it's true. 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So now we can go to the step 3. You combine them. The n term will be 5n plus 6. How to combine them? Well, the result of step 1 is 5. And then you stick it with the variable n, become 5n. And then followed by the result of step 2, 6, positive 6, so plus 6. So the n term will be 5n plus 6. We will go to the exercise page. What is the n term of this number sequence? Done. Now we will go to the answer page. We know that the rule of this number sequence is plus 4. That's the result of the first step. Now we will go to the step 2. What will be the term before the term 1, 3? What will be the number? If you add it by 4, it becomes 3. Negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 become 3, right? So we already get the result for step 1. We already get the result of step 2. Then now we go to the step 3. Combine them. The rule, stick it with the n. So 4n followed by the result of step 2. Negative 1 minus 1. So the n term will be 4n minus 1. The last exercise. What is the n term of this number sequence? Done? Now we will go to the answer page. The result of the first step, which is the rule, is minus 3, right? Now we need to go to the second step. Find the term before the first term, 19. What is the number? If you minus it by 3, it becomes 19. 22, right? 22 minus 3 become 19. So that one will be the result of step 2. Then we just need to go to the step 3, combining the result of step 1 and step 2. The rule is negative 3, and then you stick it with the variable n, become negative 3n, followed by the result of step 2, which is plus 22. So the n term or the equation for this number sequence is minus 3n plus 22. Thank you and see ya.